How was your first day of work? How was your first day of work?
It was terrible. It was terrible.
What happened? What happened?
My coworkers bullied me. My coworkers bullied me.
How did they bully you? How did they bully you?
They said I didn't deserve to be there. They said I didn't deserve to be there.
You're the most passionate veterinarian I know. You're the most passionate veterinarian I know.
I don't deserve this kind of treatment. I don't deserve this kind of treatment.
Do you have any idea why they bullied you? Do you have any idea why they bullied you?
It's because they're a lot older than me. It's because they're a lot older than me.
You need to talk to your boss. You need to talk to your boss.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, I will.
I'm thinking of moving to Texas. I'm thinking of moving to Texas.
Why? You love California. Why? You love California.
I do, but there's a great teaching job in Texas. I do, but there's a great teaching job in Texas.
How much would you get? How much would you get?
I would get $70,000 a year. I would get $70,000 a year.
How much do you make now? How much do you make now?
I earn $60,000 a year. I earn $60,000 a year.
I still don't think you should move. I still don't think you should move.
Really? Why not? Really? Why not?
All your friends and family are here. All your friends and family are here.
Are there any other reasons? Are there any other reasons?
I think you'll earn $70,000 if you're patient. I think you'll earn $70,000 if you're patient. I am a nurse. I am a nurse.
Why didn't you want to become a doctor? Why didn't you want to become a doctor?
Doctors have to go to school longer. Doctors have to go to school longer.
But they get more money. But they get more money.
Nurses get a lot of money too. Nurses get a lot of money too.
Not really. Doctors have more prestige. Not really. Doctors have more prestige.
Prestige and money doesn't matter to me. Prestige and money doesn't matter to me.
Good for you. Good for you.
Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor?
I am going to be one in 4 years. I am going to be one in 4 years.
A lot can change in 4 years. A lot can change in 4 years.
I know, but I believe in myself. I know, but I believe in myself. I have overtime next week. I have overtime next week.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
It means I'm working more hours than usual. It means I'm working more hours than usual.
What are your usual hours? What are your usual hours?
I usually work 8 hours a day for 5 days. I usually work 8 hours a day for 5 days.
How about next week? How about next week?
I'm working another 8 hours on Saturday. I'm working another 8 hours on Saturday.
But Mom was planning a party on Saturday. But Mom was planning a party on Saturday.
I can't make it. I can't make it.
Can't you tell your boss? Can't you tell your boss?
That's not how the real world works. That's not how the real world works.
I wish the world was perfect. I wish the world was perfect. Hey, Mr. Smith, are you busy? Hey, Mr. Smith, are you busy?
Not at all. What's going on? Not at all. What's going on?
I've been working with the company for 10 years. I've been working with the company for 10 years.
Yes, and I appreciate your dedication. Yes, and I appreciate your dedication.
I think I should get a raise for my dedication. I think I should get a raise for my dedication.
Of course, but it must be reasonable. Of course, but it must be reasonable.
I think I should be paid $30 an hour. I think I should be paid $30 an hour.
That's a little too much. That's a little too much.
I have a master's degree and I'm a great worker. I have a master's degree and I'm a great worker.
I know, but the economy is bad. I know, but the economy is bad.
How about $25 an hour? How about $25 an hour?
That can be considered. That can be considered.